This is a presentation of the Fremco MiniFlow Rapid. You can see control valve, air supply, hydraulic power pack, adapter plates, gaskets, and the included tool set. You need to connect the MiniFlow Rapid to the control valve, compressor, hydraulic power pack. Connect the hydraulic hoses to the hydraulic power pack through the flat nose couplings. These are marked by a yellow label. The two remaining hydraulic hoses are connected to the MiniFlow Rapid. The air hose is easily connected to the safety connector on the MiniFlow Rapid. All power sources are connected and we are ready to mount the adapter plates. Depending on the fiber diameter, you need to use the right gasket dimension. In this case it is a 4 mm gasket. At the end of the adapter set, the dimension is specified for the fiber groove and the outer duct diameter. Make sure the adapter set is aligned perfectly. Then secure the adapter set by the two socket screws. Mount gaskets on the fiber and place them into the two grooves. We recommend to use the brass tip at the end of the fiber. Close the inlet guides and tighten the wing nuts by hand. Attach the microduct into the adapter set and close the lid. Please be certain that the gaskets are fit into the two upper grooves in the lid, using the wing nuts to tighten the lid. Please notice the colored indicator at the right side below. When operating the machine, the indicator will move when more tension is applied to the fiber. Tighten the chains and the MiniFlow Rapid is ready to start. Start up the hydraulic power pack and activate the pump by turning the handle. Open up the air valve a bit for letting air into the duct. Use the joystick for activating the chains and you will see the fiber entering the duct. This is of course a small test track, but at this setup distance of more than 1000 meters is possible. The fiber cable runs through the digital counter. It shows meter and speed per minute. When the job is done, use the air valve letting out the pressure in the MiniFlow and microducts. Now you're ready to open the lid without air pressure inside the junction chamber. On the control valve you can adjust oil flow and oil pressure. It is marked by power and speed. By using the joystick you can either go forward or reverse. Reverse is used if the fiber cable runs into obstacles. Daily maintenance of the MiniFlow Rapid includes adjustment and greasing of chains. Disconnect the hydraulic hoses. Unscrew the bolt holding the safety guard in place and remove it. Loosen the two outer bolts. The inner single bolt is eccentric and is used for adjusting the chain. Keep the chain area clean and the chain well greased. This gives a much longer lifetime of the chains and the chain support rails. This is how to replace the chains. Remove the adapter set. Unscrew the one bolt holding the gear in place. Unscrew and remove the 3 other bolts. Lift out the chain support rail and gear as one unit. Please note the chain support rail is symmetric and can be flipped and used on both sides. The chain support rails are only worn on the inner side where we have pressure from the fiber cable. This means they can be used twice before they are replaced. New or clean chains are mounted in reverse as described in the dismounting procedure. Please notice if the chain is correct installed on the chain support rail. If the chains can move tightly, you have mounted them correctly. Thank you for your attention.